This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about entree baskets, specifically these entree baskets with sauce holders. You have your choice of the oval black iron basket with the double dipping sauce holders. It's 13 inches in length by 6 inches wide and 2¼ inches deep. Or the round silver stainless steel Duetto app and chip basket with those double dipping sauce holders. It's 10¼ inches long by 7 inches wide and 3 inches in depth. Both come with the porcelain sauce cups for perfectly presenting any dips and sauces alongside your foods. And they both feature durable construction with either your choice of the iron or stainless steel, so they're really meant to endure regular and heavy use. They're perfect for serving fries, tenders, chips, and any finger foods that need dip. We recommend using basket liners with these, not only to help speed up your cleanup since those liners can just get tossed, but also to keep your baskets from getting greasy. They're perfect for any restaurant, food truck, or cafe looking for cute baskets to serve up their tasty fare.